Hello, this is my UTG L96 airsoft sniper rifle. It is a bolt action. The bolt is actually pretty easy to pull back. It is a thumb hole stock, which is really cool. The scope, I had some troubles with it at first, but because the rings didn't fit to the tactical rail, so I had to buy new rings. It is 475 FPS, which is a very, very strong and powerful air gun for an airsoft gun. The cheek stock is fully adjustable. The trigger safety is right here, which is really cool. You have to push that little button in order for it to shoot. Safety is right here. And it came with a bipod. It's actually pretty durable. It's all metal. It comes out just like that. It looks kind of flimsy, but it is actually pretty solid in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a great gun. Like I said, it's the UTG L96. If you want to learn more about it, just Google it or go to airgundepot.com. Underneath their airsoft category, go to sniper rifle, bolt action. It is near the bottom. It's really cool. It's expensive though. It's like $135. But if you have the money, it's completely worth it. It's really heavy. It's like 9 pounds, something like that. I don't remember, but it's heavy for an airsoft gun. It's really, really accurate. It's just a great gun. The BBs that I recommend with it is 20 grams, but it could go higher. The hop-up is underneath the magazine release. This is the magazine release, and it's right in there. Yeah, so if you have the money and you like airsofting, go and buy it. It's a great gun.